Many enterprises aim for a specific goal, deploying an autonomous AI agent that is smart, instantaneous, and perfectly safe. But building that system collides with a foundational rule of engineering. Every time you add a new capability to software, you expand the pathways for an attack. To make an AI genuinely capable, you have to give it a massive context window so it can remember instructions. It needs autonomous reasoning, live internet access to pull fresh data, and the ability to trigger external APIs. When you build a smarter brain by connecting it to the outside world, the AI stops being a predictable, closed calculator. It becomes an exposed target, creating an immediate conflict for the engineers building it. At the same time, users expect speed. We want agents operating in real time, delivering results with low latency, so they can execute actions without human delay. To protect that high-speed system, you have to intercept every input for malicious prompt injections, filter the outputs to prevent data leaks, and often keep a human in the loop to oversee decisions. These necessary defenses introduce computational friction, and friction destroys speed. If a system has to spend milliseconds analyzing every packet of data, it cannot respond instantly. This creates the AI Security Trilemma. Look at these three nodes: smart, fast, and secure. Optimizing any two of these pillars apply heavy strain to the third. This results in a zero-sum game of musical chairs. You can prioritize a couple of these traits, but you will always sacrifice the third. We can see why this happens by pairing these pillars and looking at the practical edge cases that emerge in real-world deployment. Here, we have prioritized a system that is smart and secure. Applying heavy security protocols and strict guardrails to deep reasoning creates immense system lag. This configuration works for deep research or medical diagnostics. Accuracy is paramount, and waiting 20 minutes is an acceptable trade-off. But shifting priorities to pair deep reasoning with speed strips away all security friction to allow for instant responses. The result is a dangerous AI, used only for low-risk testing, like a public data proof of concept, where a breach carries no real-world consequence. While these edge cases have their uses, neither fulfills the enterprise requirement for a fully functional, safe, and deployable agent. The final configuration prioritizes extreme security and high-speed processing, effectively diminishing the intelligence of the model. To ensure this fast model cannot be exploited, you have to remove its reasoning capabilities. You strip away its memory banks, its access to external tools, and its autonomy. This leaves you with a dumb AI, like a home automation system. It can safely and instantly turn off the lights, but it lacks the logic to solve complex problems. Maximizing speed and security together forces the technology backward, leaving us with a simple closed-loop appliance instead of a true artificial intelligence. Breaking this zero-sum game requires a change in system architecture. We cannot force the core AI model to handle these conflicting tasks simultaneously. The solution involves an external innovation, the AI Security Proxy. Look at this flow diagram. Instead of trusting the model to defend itself, we add an outer perimeter ring, a dedicated policy enforcement layer that sits outside the core intelligence. This external proxy acts as a bodyguard. It absorbs the heavy friction of inspecting inputs, scanning for prompt injections, and sanitizing outputs before they reach the model or the user. Offloading the security burden to this external layer frees the core AI model. It can process data at high speeds because it is no longer bogged down by its own defense mechanisms. The central model remains smart and lightning fast, while the surrounding environment remains secured. This architecture doesn't eliminate computational friction. It relocates it to balance the system load. Safe enterprise AI scaling depends on engineering a specialized, balanced ecosystem around the model, rather than trying to code a single, omnipotent brain.